Okay, this is 3 outbound. Just past the split. Looks like somebody tried to help us out and cover the frickin' trail, which I'm not gonna worry about just yet. But last time I came over here, I was sinking in mud. Well, there's my tire tracks. Same situation. It's the same old situation. I'm gonna write that as a song later when I get home. I guess. Good feel, good rhythm. Remind me next time to wear shorts with a better drawstring if I'm gonna throw my freaking phone in the pocket. Okay. I meant to bring more caution tape. Okay. We can move. Alright, so we're what, 3 inbound, going backwards. Pull down tree. Deal with that another time. But maybe on the way back in. Let me sit here and make you wait on me. And if it stops, it's only a $5 swing. Not jacking with it. All right. Here's the F. There we go, guys. Need about 6 inches of pavers. We can get across this bad boy. All right. Going home. 3 inbound heading the correct direction. TJ caught him over here one day. He'd eaten a damn stump. Got a hornet's nest or wasp nest or some shit. Funny as hell. Alright. Hey there, Mr. Silky. Alright. Check in a minute.